We are on Hiccup's challenge, getting ready to take off on our flight.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go, Sammy. Here we go.
It's a perfect day for wing gliding. Let's hope it stays there.
Easy wing gliding. An easy wing glide. Oh, this is easy. Oh, here we
We
go.
got wing gliders coming.
Yeah.
Oops, can't have a wing glider with no wings. Okay, nothing else goes wrong. Here it goes. With these wings, soar over bird just like a dragon.
There it is.
That's the fishy actor stage.
Hey! Whoa, Sammy! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah, Sammy!
Hey, you found bird's
Did you like it? Get the dragons. Oh, look at the eggs. They're going to hatch. Wait, what's happening? What's happening? No, no. Uh-oh. Dragons. We got to get out, Sammy. They're going to eat us. They're going to eat us. Get out of here. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, so
Enjoy
cool.
Toothless and me for a ride anytime. But just be aware, a lot of the dragon training around here is the dragon training us. Yeah, Toothless, quit sliming my face. I just brushed my teeth. Now gather up all your helmets and shields and prepare to exit the wing glider.
One more time.
I don't want to chase down some crazy dragon.
One more time.